Greetings, fellow seekers of the unknown. Welcome back to our channel, the space where we unravel the mysteries that shape our reality. Today, we're delving into a topic that holds the key to a profound transformation. The secret plan that, once understood, triggers a reality shift like never before. Intrigued? You should be. Get ready to expand your mind and explore the hidden dimensions of existence. Let's dive into the secrets that can unlock a reality shift in your life. Before we continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that we stay motivated to share the best content. This is a quick shout out to a fantastic new channel called More Power that's all about diving into the vast universe of spirituality and surfacing with gems that you can apply in your everyday life. You've got to check them out. Click the link in the description to subscribe and join the spiritual journey. Let's support each other on this path to greatness. Before we unveil the secret plan, let's journey into the realms of perception. Our understanding of reality is often veiled by the filters of our perceptions, shaped by beliefs, experiences, and societal conditioning. The secret plan lies in piercing through this veil to reveal the raw, unfiltered truth that governs our existence. The reality we experience is not an objective truth, but a tapestry woven from our individual and collective perceptions. Understanding this secret plan requires unraveling these layers and embracing a new way of perceiving the world. At the heart of the secret plan is a hidden blueprint that underlies the fabric of reality. This blueprint transcends the limits of our ordinary understanding and reveals the interconnectedness of all things. To comprehend the secret plan, we must explore the threads that weave the cosmic tapestry together. Everything is connected, every thought, every action, every moment. The secret plan invites us to recognize the threads that bind us to the grand design of existence, transcending the illusion of separation. The secret plan unfolds in the realm of conscious co-creation. We are not passive observers but active participants in the creation of our reality. Once we understand our role as co-creators, we gain the power to shape and shift the very fabric of our existence. The thoughts we harbor, the intentions we set, and the actions we take are potent tools in the process of co-creating our reality. The secret plan empowers us to wield these tools with mindfulness and purpose. Central to the secret plan is the dynamic force known as the law of attraction. This universal law asserts that like attracts like, and our thoughts and emotions serve as magnets, drawing in corresponding energies from the cosmic field. Understanding and harnessing the law of attraction is a key element of the secret plan. The law of attraction is not just a metaphysical concept. It's a fundamental aspect of the secret plan. By aligning our thoughts and emotions with our desires, we become active participants in the cosmic dance of attraction. The pivotal aspect of the secret plan involves examining, and if necessary, shifting our core beliefs. Our beliefs act as filters that color our perception of reality. To trigger a reality shift, we must identify and transform limiting beliefs that may be constraining our potential. The secret plan invites us to question our beliefs, those ingrained convictions that shape our reality. By releasing limiting beliefs and adopting empowering ones, we open the gateway to a new and expanded experience of life. Quantum consciousness is a frontier explored by the secret plan. At the quantum level, reality is malleable, responsive to the observer's consciousness. Understanding this principle allows us to step into the role of reality manipulators, influencing the unfolding events in our lives. The secret plan beckons us to recognize the quantum nature of reality and embrace the idea that our consciousness has the power to shape the quantum field, thereby influencing the outcomes we experience. Intuition and synchronicity serve as guides along the path of the secret plan. These subtle but powerful forces act as messengers, providing insights and aligning us with the cosmic flow. Recognizing and honoring these signals is crucial for navigating the whispers of intuition and the meaningful coincidences that unfold in your life. They are not mere chance occurrences but integral components of the secret plan, guiding you towards alignment with your highest path. Imagination is the bridge between the visible and the invisible realms. It is a potent tool within the secret plan for shaping the contours of our reality. By harnessing the power of imagination, we tap into the infinite realm of possibilities. Imagination is not just fantasy. It's a force that can mold and sculpt the energetic potential of our reality. The secret plan encourages us to dream boldly, envisioning the reality we desire into existence. Mindfulness serves as the cornerstone of the secret plan. By cultivating present moment awareness, we gain mastery over our thoughts and emotions, anchoring ourselves in the now and influencing the unfolding of our reality. The secret plan is not a distant destination, but a journey of mindful living. By savoring each moment and being fully present, we amplify our capacity to shape the reality we wish to experience. To fully engage with the secret plan, we must embrace transformative practices that elevate our consciousness. These practices act as catalysts for reality shifts, creating a fertile ground for the manifestation of our desires. From meditation and visualization to affirmations and energy work, these practices are keys that unlock the doors to the secret plan. Incorporating them into your daily routine enhances your ability to navigate the realms of expanded consciousness. While the secret plan is a journey of empowerment, it's essential to acknowledge and navigate the challenges that may arise. From doubt and fear to external distractions, understanding how to overcome these obstacles is integral to the successful execution of the secret plan. Challenges are not roadblocks but opportunities for growth. By approaching them with resilience and an open heart, you deepen your connection with the secret plan and fortify your commitment to reality transformation. The secret plan deepens as we delve into the quantum realm, where the phenomena of entanglement and interconnectedness play a pivotal role. Quantum entanglement suggests that particles, once entwined, remain connected regardless of the distance between them. This concept extends beyond the microscopic world, emphasizing the profound interconnectedness of all aspects of reality. The secret plan invites us to recognize that we are intricately entangled with the universe itself. As we understand and embrace this interconnection, a subtle but profound reality shift occurs, an awareness that every thought and action ripples through the cosmic tapestry. Gratitude acts as a vibrational tuning fork within the secret plan, aligning us with higher frequencies. The simple act of expressing gratitude opens channels for positive energy to flow into our lives. Understanding and integrating gratitude into our daily practices is a key component of the secret plan. Gratitude is not just a polite gesture. It's a dynamic force that elevates our vibrational frequency. By acknowledging and appreciating the abundance in our lives, we signal to the universe our readiness to receive even more. Let's embark on a reality shift exercise together, an experiential moment within the secret plan. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and envision the reality you desire. Feel the emotions associated with that reality: joy, abundance, love. In this moment, you are aligning with the vibrational frequency of your desired reality. This exercise is a glimpse into the secret plan in action. As you consistently practice this exercise, you'll find your perception of reality shifting, making space for the manifestation of your deepest desires. The secret plan has a ripple effect that extends far beyond individual reality shifts. As we each align with higher frequencies, we contribute to a collective elevation of consciousness. The choices we make, the energy we emit, and the intentions we set create a ripple that influences the broader tapestry. Not a solitary endeavor, but a collaborative dance with the universe. As we collectively raise our vibrations, the potential for transformative shifts on a global scale becomes more tangible. A crucial aspect of the secret plan involves reevaluating our perspectives on time. Beyond the linear concept of past, present, and future, the secret plan introduces the idea that all moments exist simultaneously. This perspective invites us to transcend limitations and tap into the infinite possibilities of the now. As we release the constraints of linear time, we gain the ability to influence the past, present, and future through our conscious intentions. The secret plan encourages us to embrace a timeless awareness that transcends the constraints of conventional temporal understanding. Self-reflection is a mirror within the secret plan, reflecting the inner landscape of our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. Engaging in inner alchemy, transforming our inner world, becomes a potent tool for reality shift. By navigating the depths of our consciousness, we unravel the threads that weave our reality. The secret plan unfolds as we embark on the journey of self-discovery. By peeling back the layers of conditioning and engaging in inner alchemy, we become architects of our reality, sculpting a landscape that resonates with our highest aspirations. The secret plan is a dance between intention and surrender, a delicate balance that requires trust in the unfolding cosmic design. While intention sets the course, surrender allows the universe to orchestrate the details, often in ways beyond our immediate comprehension. Intention without surrender can lead to resistance, while surrender without intention may result in drifting aimlessly. The secret plan invites us to master this dance, blending the clarity of intention with the humility of surrender. Within the secret plan, unseen forces operate beyond the scope of our ordinary senses. These forces, whether described as universal intelligence, cosmic energy, or divine presence, are integral to the reality shift process. Understanding and aligning with these unseen forces amplifies the potency of the secret plan. The secret plan is a collaborative venture with these unseen forces. By cultivating a relationship with the divine, we tap into a wellspring of guidance, support, and synchronicities that navigate us toward our desired reality. Now, fellow reality shifters, we want to hear from you. Have you experienced a reality shift since embracing the principles of the secret plan? Share your stories, questions, and insights in the comments below. Your stories are not just personal narratives. They are testimonials to the transformative power of the secret plan. By sharing, you contribute to the collective tapestry of reality shift experiences. You must watch our latest video on the topic. Say goodbye to stress. Dive into flow and thrive every day. In this video, we delve into the incredible world of effortless living, mental alignment, and the magic of concentration inspired by the pioneering work of Neville Goddard. Click on the I button on the top right corner of the video for the link. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others on their journey. Thank you for embarking on this exploration of the secret plan with us. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like and share. May your understanding of the secret plan be the catalyst for profound reality shifts in your life and beyond. Until our next journey into the mysteries that shape our existence, we are ending you waves of enlightenment and the knowledge that the secrets of reality are within your grasp. Keep exploring, keep shifting, and we'll see you in the next one.